So, speaking about like going a bit more into details for the Chow dance form,
Mhm. Mhm.
like about the Angika Abhinaya, the Aharya Abhinaya, and the Vachika Abhinaya. So, how are these three like how are these three defined for the Chow dance form? Like a particular dress code or the body movements? I know there are more aerial movements, more leg lifting, and a lot of core strength. So, could you just go into more detail?
So I'm talking about now we talk about the grammars, techniques. So which we talk about how we went to the forest and what they produced, how we went to see the socially behavior, how they produced. So the Angika Abhinaya, we talk about Abhinaya and it's come automatically Angika Abhinaya, right? Angik
Mhm.
Chari, Chari movement, Drishti Bhed, Vachika. Obviously, we have very limit with lyrical music in our dance style. We always do with many instrumental. That is the different
Mhm.
instrumental. But the thing is the how the dance style is produced. So if you see the observe a common man, a human, like the male artist, when they do something, any charlies we call charlies, please, they the observation coming through a social person, like a one human style, what they do a regular routine in their whole day period. You wake up in the morning. I'm talking about the village people, how they do. I wake up in the morning, I clean my house, because everything to do, they have the servants, everything, every person, their common world. Now everybody doing in their own house, everything is going, no servants here also in this same period. So cleaning the house, cleaning the utensils, and going to the agriculture. And the woman is a very important role here. Well, the woman is a important role here because this everything going by female person. The woman is doing many things in our village, which they clean the house, they clean the utensils. The women work right in our villages.
Yes.
They went to have going to fill the water, many things by and how they walk. So if I say the movement of Nachari to clean, how she cleaning the floor, they use, we call kharka. So
Hmm.
they use hands to plucking the flower. We use hands to picking something
Right.
from the ground, any object we picking. We do have hands. So they develop the main thing with the legs. The angachari in the
Hmm.
anga, leg is a very crucial part. The leg is a very crucial part here because how we demonstrate the same thing, the story what he's doing or she's doing with the legs.
Hmm.
If you write something with your with you use your fingers, na, you if you draw something, any festival, what we do, we draw our
Yeah.
beautiful rangoli
Rangoli.
in rangoli, na. So they try to do same thing with the legs.
Oh.
Yeah. So our even छह चाली जो उसको हम बोलते हैं, we called it in Uflis, sorry.
Hmm.
गुट्टी उठा गोबर गोड़ा छड़ा दिया छुंचो दिया. This is our Odia word because
Okay.
cow dung is a very important in our holy in our state in our India. Cow dung is a very important. So the women
Yes.
today also they have many things going with they do biogas with the cow dung and they very hybrid now. But still it is using in our villages because they don't have a
Hmm.
and gas, IP, IGL, UGL, LPG. They have their
Right.
own kettles. They produce cardungs. They have their own fire brigade things. Okay, so Gutti Utha is picking the cow dung, dry cow dung, the collection. गोबर गोड़ा उसको मिक्स करते हैं with
Hmm.
water.
Hmm.
We have wall, we have to, because it's a very holy thing, we can spread everywhere this cow dung mixtures. So
Okay.
छोड़ा दिया छोड़ा दिया throwing. I will show you, demonstrate with my legs. You can see how it happened. Connect this thing. Gutti utha, gobar goda, choda diya, chuncho diya. Chuncho diya is plastering the mixture with the in the wall or floor, which we
Uh-huh.
in the villages. I just demonstrate you something. Is it allowed to do something? I'll show you how
Yes,
it's important.
I will.
So I talk about the gutti utha, gobar goda, choda diya, chuncho diya. You can understand in Hindi language. Good.
Yes.
Gutti utha, taking counter. So
Mixing it.
without count, I can imagine. I can say that the object we can pick. Okay, we can pick like something like this. We use our hands. But here, the style is martial, but we observe a female, how it started. This is a stance, gutti utha. This is the carry. We're carrying something. But this is for presentation.
Correct.
Din, da, din, ta, de, ta, din. So this is our hand movement. So you're talking about collecting something to put here. ठीक है? हो गया, उठा दिया इसको.
Correct.
गुट्टी उठा, गोबर गोड़ा, mixing of something, and you can put in a bucket. You can mix anything. उठाने के बाद mix करा, ta, din, mix कर, लेते, da, din, ta, de, ta, din, mix कर दिया. ठीक है? अब इसका है हमें फेंकना है, थ्रो करना है, इसको पेस्ट करना है. ब्रश तो है नहीं, पर हम क्या करेंगे? पैसे दे, ता, दिन, दा, ता, de, ta, din. So everything we use our legs. So this is
Yes.
a object, or can say that material to do all the gestures. Anything that can talk about. I'm using my hands to comb my hair. Okay, every time I'm doing to set my hair every time. But here we can say that Sita Fada. Sita is the mom. Partition of a hair.
Yes.
Yeah. Sita Fada हम कंघी करते हैं, ऐसे करते हैं. So you can imagine it's important. De, ta, din, da, din, ta. This is like you're opening the material.
Oh.
So from the ground, I'm now doing the movement above the head. Understand the why it is so big now. So it is. I show you from the hands what we're doing. Sindur tika. Okay, sindur tika. Sindur पहनते हैं हम लोग. सिंदूर पहनते हैं आप. इसमें भी, if you say that, it show you the movement. You'll do the legs. Leg will come to near this point. This is the practice. And मोथा झाड़ा, टॉवल से साफ करते हैं बालों को. ये सब किसकी एक्टिविटीज है? ये सब एक औरत जो घर में काम करती है विलेज में. ट्रेडिशनल, बट कमिंग फ्रॉम द ट्राइबल थिंग ना. इस विलेज में अभी भी होता है सब चीजें. सो इधर भी करते हैं, हम लोग भी करते हैं सब कुछ. बट इसकी जगह पे, काउ डंग की जगह पे हमारे पास और भी सब चीजें हैं. द मटेरियल साइंस सेम, द साइंस इज सेम. मेन साइंस इज वी यूज आवर लेग्स. तो अंगचारी के लिए हमारा ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव अ ह्यूज मूवमेंट्स. सो एक चीज को परकर देखो और उसको ऑब्जर्व करो, चाहे वो पक्षी भी क्यों ना हो या कोई जानवर क्यों ना हो, उसको हम किस तरीके से मूवमेंट को डालना है. So correct imagine, because if you're free, you can portray a correct image of that particular thing.
Correct.
जैसे एक और छोटा सा चीज बताता हूँ मैं. ये बहुत कम लोग देखते हैं इसको. आप समझते हो, हमारे गांव में धान कुटा होता है. धान कुटते हैं, इसमें rice making machine, rice making machine.
Huh.
They have some machine like this with one side is this and the machine is going on. When they press, the machine is chopping the rice. ऐसे करके
Okay.
chop कर. So this is a machine, proper machinery है वो. तो इस machine का shape ऐसे होता है. If you see, my leg is visible.
Yes, it's visible.
So this is a machine, and this is this kind of thing going on. 1, 2, 3. I'm chopping the rice. 1, 2, 3. So what? This is the definition of the object. So here you don't have a boundary to do only like this. You're free to observe and present. Accuracy. The observation को पूरा accuracy उसको उतार के बता. That is the accuracy in the grammatical.